Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, with another lecture of telecommunication and a series of communication systems. Both the subjects are, as you know, going together in our lecture series, which will be fruitful for you in both the means. Uh, First of all, last time we were discussing on the topic of transmitter, the telephone transmitter, in which I define in front of you that a telephone transmitter is basically a microphone, and a microphone is basically a transducer. And the transducer means uh, such a device that converts one energy form into another energy form. Right over here, we have Electret microphone. An Electret microphone is basically a transducer because it converts our audio frequency, our voice frequency into electrical frequency. Microphone basically works on a simple purpose. It is used for the purpose that it may convert our voice into electrical energy. So here today we have Electret microphone. In introduction, we will study how it works and the principle of working of a electret microphone. It is also known as a condenser microphone. Why? The condenser microphone is also known as electret microphone. They work on electrostatic principles. Electrostatic principles. The charging and discharging process of a capacitor, it will produce over here. Well, an air capacitor is used to convert audio frequency into electrical signals. For this purpose, to know how it works, we should have to see inside the circuit diagram of the electret microphone or condenser microphone. Here is the microphone body. In first, we are watching what you are seeing over here. This is basically a bar diaphragm. This is a bar diaphragm, and this is basically a diaphragm. Diaphragm have a moving plate inside it, and between and the right over here there is a fixed plate. Between moving plate and fixed plate, we have air gap. This air gap basically generates charging and the process of discharging that we are studying over here, working on the principle, we're working of principle that it works on the electrostatic principle. Now the metal casing is supporting over here both moving plate and fixed plate and hold the circuit, and from its output we connected the both to, we take two terminal wires. Those are connected with FET amplifier. This is basically a field effect transistor amplifier. Well, field effect transistor amplifier is working on the forward bias position that will give us electrical output, electrical signal output on from its both the terminals. Now we will study the parts of the diagram. In the first, we have bar diaphragm, and a diaphragm, that is a moving plate, and then a fixed plate between an air diaphragm and a whole the body, that is metal casing. So there are basically four parts in it. In the next stage, we will discuss the operation of working. When you speak here, it will generate an audio frequency FA, small a, not greater a. FA, audio frequency that comes out from your mouth. It will strike with this diaphragm. It's very much sensitive. The air strikes the moving plate of diaphragm, inside diaphragm. This moving plate basically will move the air inside present between moving plate and fixed plate. Another battery is connected with this circuit, hold the circuit, and this fixed plate will automatically charge the electrical signals in the air as in the result, and that electrostatic charge will enter inside the input of field effect transistor amplifier, and this field effect transistor amplifier will generate electrical signals on its output. This was our today's lecture, and if there might be any kind of question raised in your mind, you may ask me. And right now, thank you so much. And in the next lecture, we will discuss something else more about the transmitters or receivers. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.